smells outside. Okay. Wait a minute. Cigars and cookies. We're men.
What lotion for skin that glows? Skin that glows? My skin gets so dry and itchy, I need serious relief. That's why I use Opaque Skin Repair. 48-hour moisture in one use and guaranteed relief for dry skin.